Lanzarote is one giant lava flow, known for its stark terrain, arid climate, and strong winds. It's always blowing here. This landscape has become a mecca for triathlon training and racing. In fact, the toughest Ironman race is here in Lanzarote. Bart says if he would have known what Lanzarote was really like, this would have been one of his early Ironman events.
Site of Ironman Lanzarote through the national park. It's got to be blowing 20 miles an hour, and it's a still calm day. No wonder they call it the second, or actually the toughest Ironman.
Now tell me, did you expect to see camels in Lanzarote? These camels are descendants of the working camels through the centuries. Due to the rugged terrain and lack of roads, camels were used for the transportation of goods from village to village. They also provided horsepower for the work in the field. Today, they're just tourist attractions. The people carrier on their backs is an offshoot of their original cargo carriers. The camels did great in this arid climate, and Lanzarote would not have been developed without them. You cannot tell the story of Lanzarote without Cesar Manrique. Cesar is considered the artist of Lanzarote. Besides being a world-renowned artist, Cesar's legacy is due to his architectural projects around the island. We'll visit two of his projects during this video. First being his home, Jardin de Cactus, his cactus volcano house. This is a personal home that he built out of a small ravine in a volcanic rock near Arrecife. With the home being subterranean, it is noticeably cooler than the surrounding level. As we tour his home, it is a mix of modern art and natural landscapes. How cool would it be to live here? Cesar served as the artistic director of the island. He was particularly known for his commitment to protecting Lanzarote from what he regarded as big development projects. He hated high-rise hotels for tourism. Cesar was not anti-tourism, in fact, quite the opposite, but he believed in ecological tourism that protected the ecology of the island and what would allow generations to enjoy Lanzarote forever. Cesar was not only an artist, he was also what you might consider to be a Renaissance man. He referred to himself as the Hugh Hefner of Lanzarote. As we walked through his home, you realize that Cesar loved everyone, both men and women. In fact, you weren't anybody until you were invited to one of his parties, which could last for days on end. He was quite the playboy. Jameos del Aqua is Cesar's most important creation. The construction lasted from 1963 to 1987. He built within Jameos, or Lava Tube in English, near Haria, a concert venue and nightclub that holds over 600 people for seasonal concerts. The Jameos also hosts a subterranean salt pond, restaurant, gardens, pool, and a museum. It is by far the most visited tourist attraction on the island. Another interesting fact that the Jameos del Aqua is home to the squat lobster. This blind lobster is only about a centimeter in length. They are also very sensitive to changes in their environment within the pond, including oxide, so please don't throw coins in the pond. Wouldn't you love to attend a concert here? This is our every evening. Come join us.
A friend of mine traveling the world fell into a river in Egypt. He's in denial. What did the elephant say to the naked man? How do you breathe through that little thing?